Alright, so I really quickly want to show you guys the ostriches. They are so pretty and cute, and they actually just came here right now. Yes, they are tame ostriches. Well, not tame, but they are. They're not wild. They aren't from the wild. They're hungrier. Look, they're back there. There's one right there. Just there. And there's much more, so I'm gonna go see if I can show you guys the ostriches. There's some lambs. Hey! There's some lambs, and there's the ostriches. Look at that. They're so pretty. Look at those. Look at that, will you now? And then there's a goose. Look at them. They're so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous.